Little did I know just how much of an impact our center was going to have on seniors' lives.
So welcoming when you walk in the door. It's exciting for the people to be there.
This has been such a good part of her life.
Basically, we're just still in shock that he loves going as much as he does.
I fell in love with the place.
ActivAge, hands down, amazing.
It's a life change.
I walk in there and it's like a big party. The residents are just having a great time.
It's not just daycare, it's heart care.
Having her come to ActivAge has not just changed her life, but it's also changed mine.
It's a nice place to be, and if anybody has any doubts, don't let them doubt.
I became obsessed with this business model from the standpoint of like what it could do for people, and I'm like, the world, the country needs this on a nationwide scale. I get choked up about it because it really changes their lives. Like it really, it really gives them like a sense of purpose, and it gives them their life back.